Welcome to Day 9 of 5 today. We're going to talk about something that's not only changing the world, but can also help you make money: artificial intelligence, or AI. Imagine that while you sleep or watch a movie, your money is working for you. Let's see how AI can help you achieve that. What is artificial intelligence? AI is like teaching computers to think and learn. It's a technology that allows machines to understand patterns, solve problems, and most importantly, learn from experience. Imagine a computer that gets better over time without anyone telling it what to do. AI is like teaching computers to think and learn. It's a technology that allows machines to understand patterns, solve problems, and most importantly, learn from experience. Imagine a computer that gets better over time without anyone telling it what to do. How does it work? AI works by feeding machines tons of data. It's like teaching a friend to play a video game. At first, they make mistakes, but the more they play, the better they get. AI learns the same way, but at an incredible speed. Where do we see AI every day? AI is everywhere. When you use Google to search for something, when Siri tells you the weather, or when Netflix recommends a new show, that's all thanks to AI. It's in the background, working to make everything run better. How can you make money with AI? Now here's the good part. AI can help you make money without needing to be a programmer. Here are a few ways to get started. Create content with AI. With tools like ChatGPT, you can write articles, scripts, or generate content for blogs and social media. Many freelancers are already using AI to boost their productivity. Design with AI. Tools like DALL-E let you create amazing images just by describing them. These images can be sold as logos, illustrations, or book covers. Automate your business. If you have an online business, AI can handle customer service, send automated emails, or even manage inventory. This frees up your time to focus on scaling your business. Smart investments. This is one of the most powerful applications of AI. AI can analyze millions of financial data points, predict trends, and recommend the best investment opportunities in seconds. It's like having a robot financial advisor at your service. Smart investments with AI. When we talk about smart investments, we're referring to how AI can analyze financial markets. For example, platforms like robo-advisors use algorithms to manage your portfolio automatically. These algorithms are designed to maximize your returns while minimizing risk, adjusting your investments based on market conditions. How does it work? Imagine you want to invest in the stock market, but don't know much about it. A robo-advisor takes your money, spreads it across different stocks, bonds and funds, and constantly adjusts the investments based on performance. It's like having a financial advisor working 24/7, but without the high fees. Let me introduce you to Jorge, a 25-year-old from Guadalajara who wanted to boost sales for his online store. He started using AI for social media advertising campaigns. With a tool called Ad Creative, the AI suggested what ads to use and when to post them. In just 6 months, Jorge saw a 300% increase in sales. Now, his campaigns are so effective that he earns over $2,800 per month, all thanks to AI. Now let's talk about Anna, who runs an online clothing store in Monterrey. Anna implemented an AI chatbot called Tidio to automatically respond to customer questions like, "What sizes do you have? How long does shipping take?" The chatbot is active 24/7 and has improved customer service, increasing sales by 40%. While Anna sleeps, the chatbot keeps selling. Why is it the perfect time to use AI? This is the best time to start using AI. The tools are more accessible than ever, and the best part is you don't need to be a tech genius to use them. With a little investment of time, you can leverage this technology to improve your income and achieve financial independence. Tips to start using AI today. Here are some steps to start benefiting from AI. Try free tools. Start with tools like ChatGPT, Canva, which uses AI for design, or even Tidio to automate customer service. Do your research. Spend time learning about the different tools that can help your business or investments. Start with small tasks. Use AI for simple tasks like creating content or doing market analysis. And as you get familiar, increase its use in your daily routine. In summary, AI is a powerful tool that's transforming how we do business and invest. Whether you want to create marketing campaigns, automate your business, or invest more intelligently, AI is here to help, and the best part, it's accessible to everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to D905 for more tips on how to make your money work for you.